Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. I haven't uploaded for a while now because of vacation times, but during this vacation I have looked at the channel a bit, and around 90% of all the views that has come about the last 2 months has been from non-subscribers. So please subscribe when you watch my channel and help me grow. I will really appreciate all the help I can get, so think about that, guys. Okay, so back to today's video. Today we're gonna do an unboxing and a review of the Casio with the reference number CA53W. So this is the box that the watch is delivered in. It's a normal classic delivery box from Casio. Many models come with this one. And here we have the watch. Underneath you have the instructions, and also in the middle here you can see that we have the warranty card for the watch. And here we have the watch, looking nice. Here you can see the reference number and everything. So this watch is a small movie star. This watch has been in the movie Back to the Future and also on the wrist of Walter White in the series Breaking Bad. I think I have seen this watch in another movie also, but I can't remember. So if you guys remember if this watch has been in another movie, I think it has, write that in the comments below, and I will appreciate it because I can't remember. So some facts about this watch. This is a classic Casio that was first put in production during the 1980s, and this is a really thin watch. It's only 8 mm thick. It goes a little bit higher with the buttons that you can see here, but it's still a really thin watch. And something good with this watch is that the lug width, it's 20 mm, so it's really easy to strap it. And before I forget it, today this is the wrist watch check. It's also a Casio. So this is how it looks on my wrist. I think it wears nice, and the size of it is around 35 mm in both angles. So it's not so big watch, and my opinions. My thoughts about the watch after using it for like 2 weeks. To be honest, everybody has different tastes, and I know this is a cool classic watch, but to be honest, if I'm going to wear a Casio during the days at work or at my spare time or something like that, I prefer to use a model that look like this, like the F91W or this one here. This is more my taste. Everybody has different taste. There's nothing wrong with what you like and what you don't like. So this watch will not stick in my collection. It was fun to buy it. It was fun to review it and open it and everything. But it's a cool watch, but not for me this time. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more Casios, don't hesitate to write that in the comments below. And also give this video a thumbs up and help the channel to grow. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.